Hello everyone. Now I'm going to show you how to create a database for the in MySQL workbench. For that, we want to click on this icon and give a name of the database. Here I'm going to give employee as my database, and I will click on apply and click on apply. It will create a database. Now I'm going to use that database. We want to press use and the database name. Now I have used employee database. Like that, we want to create a database. Now I will show you how to create a table in database. Creating a table in MySQL involves using create table statement, which allows you to define the structure of the table, including its column, data types, constraints, and index. Now I will show you how to create a table. For that, we want to write a command create table, and we want to give a table name as employees, and inside that we want to give a headings of. First, I am going to give a ID, and we want to give a type as integer, and it should auto increment. And I am giving ID as a primary key. And second, I want to give a name and type as varchar, and how many letters it can max. I am giving 100, and it should not be null. For that, I am giving not null, and then I am giving age, and it is of type integer, and I am going to create a department of type varchar of 100. If I press on thunder symbol, see, it was created a table. The employee table is created with 4 columns: ID, name, age, and department. The ID column is specified as a primary key with the primary key constraint. It also says to auto increment, meaning MySQL will automatically generate a unique value for this column when a row is inserted. The name column is defined with the varchar 100 to store variable length character string with the maximum length of 100 characters. The not null constraint ensures that the name cannot be null. The age column is defined as int to store integer values. The department column is also defined as varchar 100 to store department names. Once you execute this SQL statement, the employee table will be created in the MySQL database, ready to store data according to the specified structure. You can then start inserting data into this table using insert into statement and querying data using select statement. With this, I am ending my video. Thank you.